Want more bang for your ink pad buck? This simple trick gives you 3 shades from one color, and it's perfect for inking up the new Stampin' Up! Ink colors. Welcome to Just Stamp. I'm Anna Marie. Let's get crafting today with just one technique, Stampin' Off, sometimes called generational stamping. From just one ink pad, you can create 3 shades. Here's what you need: stamps, ink pads, and paper. Let me show you. I'm going to start off with the new ink color called Strawberry Slush. I'm going to bring in my stamps, my ink, and some paper. And because I'm stamping with a new photopolymer stamp set, I'm going to use a chipboard for both my stamping off technique and for my cushion support for the photopolymer stamp. Step number 1 is to do a full inking, first generation, with my detailed stamp. Step 1, detailed stamping, full inking, first generation. This 2-step stamp lets you fill in the color with the second coordinating stamp. This time I'm going to ink up, and before I ink on my paper, I'm going to stamp off and then stamp. This creates second generation. Now I have 2 shades from one color. Let me take it a step further. I'm going to ink up first generation, stamp my detailed stamp down, and this time I'm going to go a little bit more subtle. I'm going to ink up and stamp off twice before filling in my color with my second step. And this time I have a more subtle shade. Beautiful generational stamping. You pick the subtlety you prefer. Let me finish it off with my flower center. I'm going to bring in the new ink color called Darling Duckling. And I'm going to fill in that flower center with the coordinating stamp, inking up and stamping down. Ink up and stamp down. Beautiful 3 shades from one ink pad. Let's try it with a different color. Another new ink color called Timid Tiger. I'm going to bring in a different image from the same stamp set called Impressions of Bloom and bring in my second piece of cardstock. I'm going to grab my detailed stamp, ink up, stamp down. This is first generation. Now I'm going to add my color by inking up, stamping off, and filling in the color. I've got 2 shades from one ink pad. Let's take it a step further. Do first generation stamping, detailed stamp. I'm going to bring in my color fill coordinating stamp, ink up, and this time I'm going to stamp off twice. 1, 2 for a third generation of ink. Lay that right over top. And I'm going to complete the flower with the flower center in Darling Duckling. So I have 3 shades, 1 ink pad. You pick the subtlety you prefer. Want to see my finished project? I have a beautiful card using my beautiful flowers I created with Impressions of Bloom and the shading. I added strips of each new ink color and a beautiful soft embossing background, as well as a heartfelt sentiment from the same stamp set, Impressions of Bloom. Thanks for being there. It is absolutely perfect for Mother's Day. There you have it. Just one technique. Read all about it over at AnnaMariePalmgren.com. I'll update the post with the full list of supplies just after all the new products are released on May 6th. If you try this technique, be sure to tag Just Stamp. Thanks for clicking by. I'm Anna Marie, and I'm here to invite you to make someone's day, one handmade card at a time.